Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. It's KC. Okay, this is a full coverage foundation routine, but the eyeshadow starts at 3 minutes and 20 seconds if you want to fast forward. So right now, I'm starting off with my primers, which is the Milk Hydrogrip and the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless finish thing. It's a primer so that my skin stays nice and hydrated under my foundations. And I either mix these two foundations or I wear one or the other. The Hourglass one is the more full coverage. The Fenty one is more natural. So I blend it out all over my skin. You can choose whichever one you want for your foundation routine. It'll still look flawless, okay? And I blend it out all over my face, and then I go straight into highlighting and concealing. So I take the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer in the color Graham Cracker. And I put it on the highest points of my face, which is where I want to highlight, which is under my eyes, in the middle of my forehead, my upper lip, and my chin. Then I go in with a lighter concealer to actually highlight. And I put those in the same exact places, under the eyes, center of the face, lip, and chin. And I blend that out with a clean beauty blender, okay? This is what's gonna make it stay forever, is a clean beauty blender. I'll be slipping up sometimes though. All right, so now that it's all blended out, I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush pressed powder, and I'm going to set everywhere that I put all the concealer. So I'm gonna put this powder under my eyes, the center of my forehead, down the nose, lip, and chin. And I'm just gonna set those places. After I do that, then I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty loose setting powder and I'm gonna go over those same exact places. Why? It's gonna make it look nice and airbrush, and it's also going to like lock it in place. It's not gonna go anywhere. Even if you sweat, this setting powder will make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Your makeup will not budge, okay? So I'm still setting in all my high points. You know, I'm just resetting everywhere I just did it. And down the center of my nose. I do it like this so it's easy to contour my nose later. All right, next I can go on to bronzing. I don't really contour, I kind of bronze. So I take the cream contour kit, I almost messed up, and I just put it in the hollows of my cheeks. And I just keep blending that out. I also take it on the sides of my forehead. And then after that, I take my bronzer, which is a powder bronzer from MAC. It's called Give Me Sun. And I swirl it in there, and I just set everywhere. I literally just put that that brown contour, which is on the sides of my face and the hollows of my cheek. So it won't go nowhere. And then one of my favorite parts is contouring my nose, and I take that same bronzer and I start under my eyebrow and I drag it from my eyebrow down the edge of my nose on both sides. And that's how I contour my face. Just use the same bronzer I used on my face, and then take it from the eyebrow down the side of the nose. Easy. And it's like it's guided because I put that setting powder. All right, now for the eyeshadow. Okay, I'm taking this orange eyeshadow and washing it in my crease, blending it nice and good. Then I'm taking a darker orange from that same Melt Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to pack that on my lid, and I'm just going to keep packing that until it gets to the intensity I like. And I'm going to take a yellow and go back in my crease because I thought it needed to be a little bit warmer in my crease, so I added some yellow. All right, next I'm taking the other Melt Cosmetics palette, and I'm wrong for this. I need to take some setting powder and put some powder under my eyes so that all of the eyeshadow that I use won't fall down onto my foundation. And then I go in and I kind of just smudge it all on my bottom lash line, and then I dust off all the bake. I set my face with the Morphe setting mist. I put on some lashes and I put on my highlighter, and I'm good. I'm Gucci. Look at her. And lip gloss. Thanks for watching.